Hi, I'm Nick Ebenroth, and today we want to talk about the Girard tankless water heater. Keystone is partnering with Girard by installing them on many Keystone products. I've got a couple guys here today who are going to go over what to expect. I'm here with both Matt and Bart from customer service. Some of you may recognize them from our DIY or first time camper series. Hey guys, can you take it from here and cover what to expect?
We sure can. Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm Bart.
With the advancements in today's technology, we're seeing a trend in tankless water heaters, and Keystone has jumped all in. Hey Bart, can you give us a quick rundown of all the specs?
Sure. The Girard tankless water heater is rated at 42,000 BTUs, providing the optimum performance for RV plumbing. It has a minimum operating pressure of 45 psi or greater, maximum water operating pressure of 125 psi. It's equipped with a quiet, brushless motor that operates on 12-volt power at 3 amps or less, and the water temperature is adjustable from 95 to 124 degrees Fahrenheit or 203 to 255 degrees Celsius. The recommended setting is 115 degrees Fahrenheit.
So I have a couple questions for you.
Absolutely, fire away.
So you said it uses 12-volt power. What about 120-volt shore power?
This water heater functions solely on propane gas and 12-volt power that operates at less than 3 amps. This makes you less dependent on 120-volt power and is a plus for off-grid camping, and it provides endless hot water with minimal wait time. Girard tankless water heaters only run when it needs to, so you are not using propane to maintain the temperature like traditional water heaters do.
What about operation with extreme cold inlet water temperatures?
This tankless water heater is also equipped with a water control valve flow optimizer for cooler conditions to aid in optimizing your RV's water temperatures. The water control valve provides control of the outlet temperature within a wide range of inlet water temperatures and different flow rates normally encountered in RV use. The unit is shipped with a valve set to open or maximum flow. If desired, the flow can be manually adjusted using the valve.
Since there's no tank, does anything change for winterization?
That's a good question. The water heater bypass valves for winterizing are no longer needed. This saves a winterizing step. Winterizing the unit follows the usual two methods: compressed air or the RV antifreeze method. Another important fact is this water heater is equipped with an anti-freeze or a winter use system. The purpose of this system is to keep the water heater from freezing when the RV is used in freezing conditions. This only protects the water heater though. When RVs are used in winter, the water lines are still subject to freezing. This is not a defect or a warranty.
Okay, so lots of great info there. How easy is it to operate?
That's another good question. It is very easy to operate, providing endless water at the precise temperature desired. The interior wall-mounted user control panel displays the operating functions and allows for temperature setting from 95 to 124 degrees. This can also be changed to Celsius. You can also preset the hot water temperature to a lower temperature of your choosing.
Does the user control panel do anything else besides control the temperature?
Yes, sir. The user control panel also features visual diagnostics that allow for easy troubleshooting. Just refer to the operator's manual that came in your unit.
All right, so are there any important tips I should know about this water heating system?
Absolutely. The rate of flow affects the temperature of the water as it is heated. For example, if you have the kitchen sink hot faucet fully on for maximum water flow, the water has less time to heat as it is passing through the water heater. If you reduce the faucet flow, you can maximize the heating of the water being used. Think of it this way: if you increase water flow, you will have reduced water temperature. If you decrease the water flow, you raise the temperature. You can also turn on the cold water too with the hot to achieve the desired temperature.
What about low water pressure?
Sure, city water connections at RV parks can have low or varying water pressure. If this condition occurs and cannot be resolved, then we recommend filling the freshwater tank and using the onboard water pump.
Good. One last question. Will the customer have hot water instantly at their faucets?
Good question. The answer is no. The tankless water heater must see a demand on the system before it turns on to heat. Turn on a hot water faucet and the water heater senses the flow and ignites the burner and begins heating the water passing through it. Just like a traditional water heater, you will run the cold water out of the line until the hot water presents itself. The difference is you get an endless supply of hot water and the burner turns off when the water is shut off. So on a traditional tank water heater, the burner continues to run till the tank of water reaches its preset temperature and turns on and off multiple times a day to maintain that temperature when it's not even being used.
Thanks, Matt and Bart, for going over all the advantages of the Girard tankless hot water heater for us today. For more great content, be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can camp better.